Introducing the Hudson Collection, a custom flooring collection by Portercraft Floors. Here's how our Hudson Collection works. First, choose from our curated selection of 14 unique colors, sure to help you find the color that best fits your home and style. Second, select your ideal wood species for your floor from our available options of ash, hard maple, red oak, and white oak. Third, determine a width for your custom floor, with 4 options ranging from a 2¼ inch width to a 5-inch width. Lastly, select a grade that works best with your floor. Our available options are cottage and prime. All custom floors designed from our Hudson collection come with 1 foot to 7 foot random board lengths, a satin finish, a 50-year residential warranty, and a 5-year light commercial warranty. An engineered construction option is available upon request. Contact us at portercraft.com to order a custom sample from the Hudson collection.